and welcome back to short demo of the JLR OEM Pathfinder software and how to use the HW01 Lock50 with the programmed HW02 Lock50 emulator keys to bypass TCU service mode enabling. This particular job the client requires one OEM key and does not want to have two keys. However, the car originally has no keys with alarm on. Note: new 2020 models and up require TCU Telematics Control Unit to be put into service mode before can add keys via Incontrol app on the client's mobile phone. For USA, this is important as when you have two working keys you can bypass TCU service mode and add keys via OEM OBD directly with Pathfinder. At this stage, if two keys are not present, then it's required to put vehicle in service move normally. Place your Lock50 emulators you generated from the MCU dumps on gear shifter. Select Smart Key. Select number of OEM smart keys to program. Click Next, and now current two keys will be checked and only then can proceed to add new keys when the Lock50 keys are detected. As you can see, you are now able to proceed to add one new OEM key. Follow the guide on screen. You will need to enter the transponder ID found printed on the packet of new keys, or if used keys you can use the Lock50 Tag Pro to read out the key ID number and enter here to proceed to learn the new key. If you recall, in the last video we showed you how to use the Lock50 dump tool to open the MCU data files to extract the current key info, and then use the Lock50 HW01 software to open the file and generate the two keys in order to add one new OEM key when this car has no keys at all. Now the Pathfinder software is completed the rest of the key programming routine. Remember, we supply all these tools used to complete this job and we ship all over the world. Lock50 HW01 is token-free. Unlimited use, one-time purchase. Lock50 team publish regular updates. Alarm off and key emulation technologies. Thanks for watching. Of Defender 2022 all keys lost plus added spare key without setting TCU to service mode. More demo videos coming soon for Lock50.